Are you looking for the best brother sewing machines? In this video we will look at some of the best brother sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Poulin Yauk 2720 Home Use Sewing Machine. There are instruction manuals and quick guides with the machine. There are also teaching videos on the product details page and on YouTube. You can search Poulin Sewing Machine. We also have professional after-sales personnel and engineers to provide online services for each customer. This is an electronic sewing machine that does not require a foot pedal to control the speed. It has a speed control bottom. Also, the Poulin machine comes with a foot pedal you can choose by yourself. A needle position button, used to raise and lower the needle, is available on Yauk 2720. This is an electronic sewing machine. All sewing can be operated by a button that does not require a foot pedal to control the speed. It has a speed control bottom. Also, the Poulin machine comes with a foot pedal your family can choose by themselves. The Poulin Yauk 2720 computerized sewing machine has numbers from 09 and 26 letters. You can see the stitches in the video. It cannot additionally add other stitches. This sewing machine can start sewing with one button, with 200 built-in stitches, including 100 letters and numbers, without programming. Number 2. XMSJ001 Sewing Machine. We are committed to providing the best products for global buyers. Each product will be tested during purchase and storage. Our products are provided directly by the factory and there is no intermediary agency. If you want to order in bulk, please contact us for wholesale price. To accommodate long-distance international shipments, most of our store's products will be shipped with the original box. At the same time, in order to reduce prices, most toys will be packaged without the need for export standard packaging. Please leave 5-star feedback if you are satisfied with our products and service. We will appreciate it. If the product you received is damaged or mistyped, please do not leave any negative feedback first. Please contact us as soon as possible. We will solve it as soon as possible and find the best solution. Number 3. Singer M1000 Mending Sewing Machine. At only £5.5, the Singer M1000 Mending Machine is a lightweight, portable sidekick for the sewist on the go. With 32 stitch applications, mending and garment repairs of lightweight fabrics are easier than ever. The Singer M1000 includes essential stitch applications from zigzags to a blind hem, providing you the right stitch for your mending projects. Thanks to preset stitch length and width, even beginners will find this machine easy to use. This super cute machine is beginner friendly and perfect for your light sewing projects. 32 stitch applications includes essential stitches for key sewing techniques, easy to thread and easy to see. The transparent bobbin and cover allow you to monitor your thread supply so you don't run out of thread in the easy to sew trouser hems, sleeve cuffs and other smaller or tubular projects. Turn the stitch selector dial to the stitch you want and you're ready to start sewing. Weighing only £5.5, this machine is easy to carry and easy to store, and great for sewing in small spaces. Press and hold to sew stitches in reverse to easily secure seams. Fine-tune stitches as needed for fabric, thread or sewing technique. Get started sewing faster with easy-to-follow threading guides. Number 4. Singer 4423 Sewing Machine. The 23 built-in stitches including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches allow you to sew a variety of projects, such as fashions, home decor, quilts, crafts, and more after following the threading path printed right on the machine. This built-in feature helps you to effortlessly thread the eye of the needle without eye strain or frustration. The Singer 4423 sewing machine has a maximum sewing speed of 100 stitches per minute, so projects can be sewn quickly. The 60% stronger motor provides greater piercing power for thick seams. The Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine is a true workhorse, with a heavy-duty metal interior frame, stainless steel bed frame, extra high sewing speed and powerful motor. This sewing machine can sew through a variety of heavyweight fabrics and provides long-lasting stability. Number 5. Brother CS7000X Sewing Machine. The Brother CS7000X sewing and quilting machine includes 70 built-in stitches including utility, decorative, heirloom and quilting stitch functions, and 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes easier than ever to use. The automatic needle threader reliably pushes the thread through the needle. The convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin easy to load and helps ensure your bobbin stays in place. The CS7000X includes a wide table, 10 sewing feet plus a quilt guide, protective hard case, a trilingual English/Spanish/French user manual and more. The durable metal frame construction allows your machine to tackle any project, and the needle is fixed in place while you work, allowing for cleaner stitching and even lines. A larger workspace with increased width and needle to arm space allows users to work on larger projects including quilts,